How to turn off Watch on TV on YouTube Mobile. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the steps on how to turn off the watching TV feature on your YouTube mobile app. So let's get started. First, you will want to open up the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you have the app open, look for your profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on your profile icon to access your account settings. After you click on your profile, you will see a menu appear. From this menu, you need to select the option that says Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, the next step is to locate the section labeled Notifications. This is the area where you can manage various notification preferences. You will find a specific option related to watching TV. This option is designed to suggest videos that you might enjoy watching on your TV. If you prefer not to receive this suggestion, you can easily turn off this feature. To do this, simply click on the watching TV option and it will be disabled. If you ever change your mind and want to turn it back on, you can just click on it again to reactivate it. And that's the wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful and enjoyed the content, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.